Though store-bought frosting is great on its own, there are some awesome hacks to elevate its taste, texture, and it is a great addition to cookies, cakes, and brownies. These hacks are great for saving time. You will be impressed with how you can transform a can of frosting from the store into something that tastes as if it came from a bakery. Transforming store-bought cream cheese frosting. To get started, scrape your can frosting into a mixing bowl. This will make it much easier to work with. Your frosting should be at room temperature, along with any other cold ingredients, to give it a smooth texture. 1. Whip it with a mixer. Doing this creates a lighter and fluffier consistency. The frosting will expand as you do this, as more air is being incorporated in. Simply beat the frosting on medium speed for 30 seconds to a minute. 2. Turn it into a glaze. In a microwave-safe bowl, microwave the frosting for 20 to 30 seconds. Stir well and pour over your dessert of choice. 3. Add more flavor. For a simple flavor boost, add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. If you are wanting to be a bit more adventurous, try a teaspoon of almond, peppermint, or orange extract. If you are pairing your frosting with a spiced cake, add a ½ teaspoon of pumpkin spice seasoning. This is a wonderful complement to your favorite fall flavors. 4. Mix in some texture. Mix-ins are a great way to transform store-bought cream cheese frosting. Try mashing up some Oreos and mixing them into your frosting for a fantastic taste. Add some finely chopped walnuts, pecans or sprinkles, grated chocolate, and jams can also make a delicious addition to your frosting. 5. Add whipped cream. To cut back on the sweetness and give it a lighter texture, try adding some whipped cream. It is best to use homemade whipped cream, as store-bought is more prone to deflating. Carefully mix together equal parts frosting and whipped cream until fully combined, making your store-bought cream cheese frosting pipeable. Canned icing is often too thin to pipe, but by adding a tablespoon of powdered sugar, you can thicken the consistency. If it is still too thin, add more powdered sugar until it reaches the texture you want. Feel free to add any food coloring to your frosting. Piping is always easiest when your frosting is at room temperature. When not serving, cream cheese frosting should be kept in the fridge. Store-bought cream cheese frosting will last 2 to 3 weeks in an airtight container in the fridge. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.